You there, do you want to ride a bike? Well, we'll have to explore the essential bike safety laws and tips to ensure you have a safe and enjoyable ride. Let's start with the basics. Always wear your helmet. It's not only the law, but also your best defense against head injuries. Make sure your helmet is snug, level, and covers your forehead. Visibility is key. Wear bike clothing and reflective gear, especially during low light conditions. Before every ride, check your brakes and tires. Properly functioning brakes are crucial for your safety. Use hand signals to indicate your intentions. Left arm out for a left turn, right arm out for a right turn, or left arm up and left arm downward for stopping. Always yield to pedestrians at crosswalks by ringing your bell and be cautious at intersections. Remember, safety is a shared responsibility. Stay in designated bike lanes whenever possible. If there's no bike lane, ride as close to the right side of the road. Give parked cars plenty of space to avoid getting doored. This means staying at least 1 meter away. Obey traffic signs and signals. Just like a car, stop at stop signs and obey traffic lights. Stay hydrated, especially on hot days. Carry water and take breaks to rest and recharge. When riding in a group, communicate with your fellow cyclists. Use verbal cues to alert others about your intentions. When you reach your destination, always lock your bike securely. This helps prevent theft and ensures your bike will be waiting for you when you return. Thank you for joining us on this journey through our bike safety video. Remember, by following these laws and tips, you're not only protecting yourself, but also contributing to a safer and more enjoyable biking experience for everyone.